All right, we got a GE small microwave. The issue with this unit, when you press, it does not release. All right, very difficult, almost impossible to use. You have to squeeze and maybe pry the door open. Very difficult. It comes, but it's very difficult. You're twisting. Let's see what's going on with this thing. Now you're gonna take the top off. You're gonna have, I think, 6 screws. And so along here, 1, 2, 3. And then also on the other side, 2 screws. On the back, 3 screws. And 3 on the other side. The ones in the back, they are security screws. It's a T15 on this one. All right, set or latch. If you press it up, it opens just fine, no problem. Right here, if you notice, it has a lock and unlock. I'll show you how that works in a second. Okay, so you can't get it open. If you look closely, there's a little dot right there, and it says lock. Can't open it. Very difficult. Now, I took the cover off because the machine is dented, so we're gonna fix the cover. And it's nice to show you as well. Now, you're gonna get a Phillips screwdriver. You're gonna rotate it, press in, turn, where it says unlock. Now, when you press, so the unit was locked. So we unlocked it. So it's a child safety thing as well. So now you know. So if you're experiencing that, get a Phillips, verify that it's in the lock position, and then turn it to unlock. Thanks for watching. Came out pretty good. It was pretty dented. Now she's good to go.